Hi, it's Kim, and this is Forever Fierce Over 50, and I'm going to be making dinner on the fire pit just for fun. Woo! Let those roast for a minute. I forgot to film because I was so busy, but this is the chili in here cooking away. And then my bake oven is heating up for cornbread. And once I get the cornbread in, I'll try to remember to film putting that in there, but I kind of lose my mind from time to time and forget what I'm doing. I get so caught up. But I got wood on the fire to keep my coals going. But it's supposed to be like 14 degrees out, but I'm out here in a sweatsuit and I'm perfectly warm because I'm close to the fire pit and I've been cooking. Sun's out. It's a beautiful day. It's solid as a rock outside, but it is glorious. And I absolutely love cooking over a fire. It really does smell good. I scorched the cornbread a little bit, but I think it's going to be okay. That cornbread was on there for literally like 10 minutes. I had too many. See, I had my coals too hot up there. I shouldn't have put as many coals. But the chili is about damn perfect. Oh, it looks so good. All right, dinner's on. It is super cold today. It's about 11 degrees. We had so much fun cooking on the fire pit and everybody loved it. Now, John wants me to have a wood-burning cook stove in the kitchen because he loved the flavor of the food so much. And it's just another thing to prove to you, you can survive even if the power goes out. Yeah, it sucks if you don't have a fireplace in your home, but you can make do and you can certainly cook. All right. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, please. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.